So now start with question number 9th. Statement of the question is, in a given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. Circle is given to us and two tangents are given. First tangent is here, x and y, and another tangent is x dash and y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C. There is one more tangent AB. Let us mark this length, this tangent as A and B, whose point of contact is given to us C, intersecting x dash y dash at A and B. Now we have to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. So this is my A, O and B. Okay. Now what, according to the question, we have to make this angle of 90 degree. Okay. Now let us do the construction. Let us join OC. Now one length more is given to us. This one, P and Q. So we have to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. So let us start with proof. So what we will do first, we have to make two triangles congruent. Let us take triangle AOP. This one triangle which I have shaded the red, and another one is AOC. This one triangle which I have shaded blue. Okay. So let us take in triangle AOP and triangle AOC. In these two triangles you can see A is the external point and PA and AC are the two external tangents, and we know that the length of the externals from the same external point are equal. So you will write here AP is equals to AC. You can write the reason also. Tangents from A to a circle are equal. Another thing is OA. OA is common to both the triangle. You will write OA is equals to OA common. And third one is OP is equals to OC. OP is the radius of the circle and OC is also the radius. So OP is equals to OC, each radii. Length of the radius, the same circle is always same. Okay. Now three sides are equal. We can say that triangle OAP is congruent to triangle AOC by side criteria. Okay. We know that if two triangles are equal, then its corresponding parts are also equal. So we will mark here this angle as angle 1 and this angle as angle 2, and I am going to write here angle 1 is equals to angle 2 by CPCT. CPCT means congruent part of congruent triangles are always equal. Now you will see here angle, what is the angle PAC? So angle PAC, I have written wrong. Just wait. So here angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Similarly, what we will do, we will take these two triangles and let us mark this angle as 3 and this angle as 4, and we will show that angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Okay. Now you can see that POQ, this is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. So we know that if POQ is a straight line and all the angles which are on this line, they will make the sum up to 180. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and it is equals to 180. So you can write, because POQ is a straight line, or you can write here straight angle. Okay. Now you can see here we have written angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So in place of angle 1 I am going to write here angle 2. Okay, angle 3 and 4 are equal, and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So in place of 4 I am going to write here angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 2 will become 2 angle 2. Angle 3 plus angle 3 will become angle 3. 2 angle 3, it is equals to 180. Let us take 2 common from here. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180. Take the 2 on right hand side, you will get angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 upon 2. You will get angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 90. So what is angle 2 and 3 here? This is my angle 2 and angle 3. So its name is angle AOB, and that is our result, which we are going to show that angle AOB is 90 degree. So at the last you will write here angle AOB is equals to 90. So hence proved. This is our result. Okay. Next, start with the next question. Question number 10th. Statement is, prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from the external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. We are having the figure. Let us suppose this is a circle with center O. Okay, O is the center of circle. PA and PB are two tangents. Let's take here point P, and we are having two tangents PA and PB. PA and PB are the two tangents drawn from the external point P. Okay, now this is my point O, which is at the center of the circle. Let us join OA and OB. Okay, so let's join AB here also. So now what is the question now? According to the question, we have to prove the angle between two tangents. So these are my two tangents, AP and PB. So angle between these two tangent is this one angle. So let us mark at this angle as angle 1. Angle between these two tangent is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. It is equals to this angle. These are my point of contacts. An angle made by these point of contacts with the center is at point O, and let us mark this angle as angle 2. So now according to question, we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180. Supplementary angle means the angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so let us start with our question. Proof. So since OA is the radius and AP is the tangent, and we always know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So you can write here also, we know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, it means that OA is making the angle of 90 degree at point P. So let us suppose this angle is of 90 degree. Let's mark this angle as angle 3, and we will write angle 3 is equals to 90. Okay, now OB is the another radius and AP is the another tangent. So you will write OB is perpendicular to PB. Okay, it means that this angle is of again 90 degree. Let us mark this angle as 4. So angle 4 is equals to 90. So let us mark these equation as equation number 1. So next we know that OAPB, it is a cyclic quadrilateral, and we know that sum of angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so what you will write here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 360. Now we don't know the value of angle 1 and we don't know the angle of value 2. We don't know the value of angle 2, but we know that angle 3 is 90. So in place of 3 you will write 90. 4 is also 90. So write here this. So you will write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 180 is equals to 360. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 360 minus 180. What you will get here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So this is our question. So this is our result. So we are going to show that angle 1 is equals to angle 2, means angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. So at the last you will write the line here. Hence the angle between two tangents drawn from the external point to a circle supplementary to angles of a circle is a supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Okay, now let's start with next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Statement is prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So this is my circle. Okay, this is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle like this. Now let us mark as A, B, C and D. This is point P, Q, R and S. These are the point of contacts. Okay, now we have to, what have we have to prove? We have to prove that parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. So what is given? First of all, given is ABCD is rhombus. No, not rhombus, parallelogram. ABCD is parallelogram, and what we have to prove? We have to prove that ABCD is rhombus. Okay, so let's start. So since ABCD is a parallelogram,